Kobe wife pregnant and y'all females out here defending her, talking about, oh, she's allowed to move on. Actually, no, not. And when you got kids by a mother Kobe Bryant, you ain't never supposed to disgrace his legacy. See, this be y'all problem. Y'all think she on the same scale as y'all when she not. You gotta understand. You got pregnant by a regular person in the hood who got smoked by trying to rob the wrong person. Not her. She got pregnant by the black Mamba. She's supposed to die a legend, just like him.
Girl, okay, we need to talk about this Vanessa Bryant pregnancy rumor and the absolute chaos that followed. First of all, no, Vanessa is not pregnant. But you already know the internet loves to spiral over literally nothing, and that's exactly what happened. It all started earlier this week when some random gossip accounts started circulating pictures that made it look like she had a little bump. Mind you, they were clearly manipulated or taken at a weird angle, but that didn't stop people from running wild. The rumor was that Vanessa was expecting, and baby, the timeline exploded. Some people were actually supportive. They were like, okay, let her live. It's been years since Kobe passed, and if she wants more kids or love again, that's her right. And honestly, I agree. She's still young. She might live to be 100. Is she supposed to just live in mourning forever? But that's when this one man jumped all the way out the window on social media. Like, he went off. He basically said Vanessa isn't allowed to move on at all. According to him, because she was married to Kobe, and Kobe is a legend, not some average guy, she should never be with another man, never have more kids, and pretty much just die a legend's widow. I'm serious. He said if she was married to a nobody, then maybe it would be okay. But because it's Kobe, she's supposed to remain loyal forever, even though he's gone. He said she will always be Kobe's wife and should never get pregnant by another man. Like, sir, what? Oh, and he didn't stop there. He said if she did date someone new, she better not be spending Kobe's money on him. Like, what is that logic? He said Kobe's money should go to his parents, his kids, but definitely not to a new man. And I'm like, do you think Vanessa is supposed to turn over her entire lifestyle and just wait in a rocking chair until it's her turn to go? And let's be real, Vanessa is in the 1%. Most men she might meet are gonna have less money than her. So yeah, if she ends up with someone new, she's either dating down financially or she has to go chase a billionaire. And most of those types aren't exactly lining up to wife her either. So the options? Limited. But guess what? That's still her business. Now, let me also keep it real for a second. Vanessa responded to the pregnancy rumors by posting a meme of Rihanna laying poolside flipping the bird with the caption like, I'm protecting my peace, not pregnant, and having fun all summer long. It was clearly her way of shutting the rumors down, but sis, the timing was so off because we just learned that Rihanna's dad, Ronald Fenty, passed away, like days ago. So the use of Rihanna's image in that context, it felt tone-deaf. Wrong image, wrong moment. But that's kind of been Vanessa's pattern. She's always been a little tone-deaf when it comes to public perception. Like, people have long accused her of breaking up the Bryant family, Kobe's side especially. And let's not forget, she even had that very public fallout with her own mother. I still don't know who was right in that situation, because sometimes moms can be super toxic, jealous, and entitled. Just because you birthed someone doesn't mean you get to demand a paycheck. But still, it was messy. All I'm saying is Vanessa doesn't always make the best choices, but the one thing she did get right was Kobe, period. That love was real, and nobody can take that away from her. But let her live. If she's dating someone quietly, good for her. If she was pregnant, it's her body and her choice. She's a mom, a widow, and a woman who's survived so much. It's wild to me that people still act like she has to live under a glass box because her husband was famous. Respect Kobe's legacy? Absolutely. Honor his memory and their daughter Gianna? Always. But that doesn't mean she can't find happiness again. Let that woman breathe.